All right, next up we want to talk about the limbic system and higher mental functions. So the limbic system is going to be responsible for integrating emotions with the higher mental functions like reasoning and memory. It's going to include the amygdala and the hippocampus. The amygdala is going to be responsible for creating that sensation of fear, where the hippocampus plays a very crucial role in learning and memory. So there are a bunch of different regions of the brain that are associated with the limbic system. There's going to be lots and different aspects to it, like memory. Memory is just the ability to recall events from the past. Learning is the retaining and the use of those past memories. Short-term memory is stored typically in the prefrontal areas, whereas long-term memory is memorized facts and is not stored in a central location. Semantic memory is just like the memorization of numbers and words. Episodic memory is the memorization of persons and events. Skill memory is the performing of different motor activities. Now, the interesting thing is that these memories aren't necessarily stored in a specific location. And so damage to the brain can result in the loss of very specific memories. It can result in the loss of recent memories or distant memories or even just specific memories. Visual memories are going to be stored in the vision association area. Sounds are stored in the auditory association area. But the hippocampus is going to serve as the bridge between where the memories are stored and where those memories are used. The amygdala is responsible for fear conditioning and associating danger with certain memories. All right, so for this section, you should be able to summarize the function of the limbic system, list those structures in the limbic system, where we might find fight or flight reaction, learning, long-term memory. And we didn't get into the difference between the left and right sides of the brain in terms of language and speech. It's a very interesting read. I want to strongly encourage you to spend a little bit of time skimming through that in your textbook, but we will not be quizzing over that for our purposes in this chapter.